We were talking about role models and the importance of role models. What I discovered in my own research was the amazing extent that role models play a part in leadership learning. And that presents us with a conundrum, if you like, at the moment. Because what we're talking about is a new way of thinking about leadership. There are some role models out there, but what people are looking for is everyday role model, not the guru upheld there by the media, but the person who exists around them that they can observe, they can watch in their everyday experience, and they're not there. And I've had people say to me who are aspiring for those more senior roles, who do I go to? How do I learn what I believe I need to learn more about bringing what you describe, Sue, as the qualities of practice that we need to shine a light on? How do I know how to bring them into play? How do I know how to bring these together? Because that seems quite a complicated process. And what people are saying to me is when I look around, I don't see any one individual who seems to be doing that. How do I learn this? And what I'm saying is, well, if there are no role models around and you have an idea of what futuristic leadership looks like and what you'd like to be doing, it does mean you becoming the role model for others and discovering what that means for you. It means experimenting. It means stepping out of your comfort zone. It means taking the risk to do things that you don't know whether they're going to quite work yet or no. Let me take an example. When we shine a light on these qualities over here and we want them to work with those qualities over there, often they seem to contradict each other. So one of the qualities over here might be individualistic, so the individualistic heroic mindset. Over here we might have collaborative. How do they go together? How do they work together? How can you have individualistic and collaborative leadership working together? And when we unravel that with the idea of every individual exists within a community and they bring all of their qualities, and collaborative work is about being able to draw on all the skills and abilities and qualities that each individual offers, then you can begin to see how individualistic and collaborative ways work together. And there are many ways of being able to look at that. That's one example. And what then the individual who is looking for a role model begins to figure out is how they can pay attention, be aware of on a daily basis, how to bring what seemingly are contradictory ways of working into practice in the moment. How do they work? To test them out, to experiment with them a little bit, to see what happens, and then modify them. That's what we're looking at now. Role models becoming role models for other people to learn from them.